Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. This video is about Siemens Company. So Siemens Company is a global powerhouse focusing on the areas of electrification, automations and digitalization. One of the world's largest producers of energy efficient, resource-saving technologies, Siemens is a leading supplier of systems for power generation and transmission as well as medical diagnosis. In infrastructure and industry solution, the company plays a pioneering role. Siemens' goals is first, implement the stringent company governance with effective support functions. Second is to strengthen their portfolio. Third is execute financial target system. Fourth is expand global management. Fifth is be the partner of choice of customer. Their businesses is about first is power and gas, wind power renewables, power generation services, energy management, building technologies, mobility, digital factory, process industry and drives, financial services, and lastly, automation and drive system for steel mills.
There are three issues in the Siemens company. First, only 40% of business unit participate in Siemens top improvement, which is their employees consider it too general, unclear and also wasteful of their times. Second, inefficiency of sustainability, where inability for cross-functional implementation across unit, which certainly vary across Siemens diverse specialties. And the last issue is humiliating bribery scandal. Siemens participate in the All for Food program and was alleged to have paid surcharge to Saddam Hussein government.
Okay, now for the SWOT analysis. First, for the strength. Siemens been a first mover of technology-driven services such as industrial digitization, electrification and automation. The second one is market leadership through innovation and has presence in industry, energy, healthcare, infrastructure and cities. Okay, for the weakness of Siemens, they dependence on third-party providers can affect their operational efficiency. Okay, for the third SWOT analysis, which is opportunities, they can expand their market share in emerging markets. And the next one, strategic acquisition partnerships and collaboration, such as strengthen their leadership in digitalization. Okay, for the last part, which is threats, is that a strict government policies and environmental regulation can affect their operation. And the second one is that economic fluctuation and currency devaluation affect the financial performance as it is an international company.
There are several recommendations that can be used by Siemens in order to overcome the existing issue. Firstly, Siemens need to develop both management's awareness and skill to be socially responsible. An example is to develop an organizational culture that values the concept of sustainable development through meaningful sustainable development for the daily business operations. Next, Siemens need to provide robust performance metrics that can be audited for proper implementations. The company must develop a comprehensive and effective performance management system that measure and monitor all aspects of the organization's business, social, environment, cultural and community performance.
Next recommendation is communication need to further access to the Siemens vision to all stakeholders. This is meant by developing in effective communication strategy is necessary to clearly explain to the development policies and sustainable implementation plan to all stakeholders who are internal and external. Last recommendation is the Siemens will be develop a future management team, which means that they will have a division to ease all the Siemens activities. First, power and gas division. Second, power and renewable division. Third, power generation division. Fourth, energy management division. Fifth, building technologies division. 6. Mobility division. 7. Digital factory division. 8. Process industry and drivers division. And the financial services is different operation in the future, and also the healthcare will be separate business under Siemens.